In this video, I'll show you how to record a specific window or application using OBS Studio. Step 1. Launch OBS Studio. Start by opening OBS Studio. In the bottom left corner, you'll see the Sources panel. Step 2. Disable existing sources. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to hide or disable any existing sources to avoid any interference. You can do this by clicking the eye icon next to each source. Ensure all current sources are disabled. Step 3. Choose the window you want to record. Next, decide which window or application you'd like to record. For demonstration purposes, I'll use a folder window, but this can be any application or window you have open. Step 4. Add a new source. Go back to OBS Studio. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel to add a new source. Select Window Capture. Give your new source a name. I'll name mine Folder and click OK. Step 5. Configure Window Capture. In the Window drop-down menu, select the specific window you want to record, in this case, the folder we opened earlier. You'll see a preview appear. Capture method: leave this set to automatic. In rare cases, you might need to change it to Windows 10, but for most users, automatic works perfectly. Capture cursor: choose whether you want the mouse cursor to be visible in the recording. I'll leave this checked so the cursor is captured. Click OK to confirm. Step 6. Adjust the layout if you want to. Your captured window may appear off-center or not scaled correctly. Right-click on the source, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen to make it fill the canvas. You can also reposition or resize the window manually if needed. Step 7. Start recording. Select the source you just created, then click Start Recording. Now, no matter what you do or open in the background, OBS will only record the selected window. You can browse the internet or work on other tasks. The recording will remain locked to that window. And that's it. It's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.